In this video, you guys are going to see under ₹999 H&M haul of new arrivals. This is the haul of the new arrivals except for the jackets. Those are the new arrivals, but still they are discounted and I got them at a price point of less than 1000 rupees. What's up my stylish people, this is Shashank, welcome back to the channel. Starting with my favorite shirt from this haul, and it is a brand new arrival guys. It got released maybe week back. It is a resort fit green color leopard printed shirt from H&M, which I got it in a size of small. It is priced at 1299 rupees, but on H&M site for members here and there they offer you discounts guys. So I got an additional 20% off during their flash sale and I got this at a price point of close to 1000 rupees. This being a new arrival, and if you guys don't know, 2021 is all about colored printed shirts. If you go for the leopard print, if you go for the zebra print, actually there will be a colored print for this year. That's the trend for this year, because like leopard print or cheetah print with that yellow and black combination, it's not trending anymore guys. What I like the most in the shirt, the number one, the color combination they have gone for. Even though it's a leopard print shirt, it's not in your face kind of a color combination. You can look subtle if you pair with a neutral color lower and a simple white sneaker. So that's an option for you guys to do. And number two, the fit of it, because of the fabric composition and the quality materials they have chosen for. When it comes to the viscose composition they offer for the 799 rupees lineup, there is a huge difference between the feel of the material and how it fits or drapes on your body. And number three, it's a Cuban collar shirt guys, and Cuban collar shirts, I think they are perfectly suited for summers, and that too when it comes in a combination of a printed as well as viscose fabric. This is going to be one of the best pickup in case if you opt for one. There is a quick disclaimer guys. H&M is so good this season and previous season because they are releasing the new arrivals at an affordable price points. They are getting stocked out very easily. But do not worry guys, I will still leave a link in the description below. You can shop whenever an item gets back in stock. It may not be available at the time of you watching this video, but still nevertheless it will be restocked. Moving on to the printed shirt number two. It is a eggplant printed, yes, shirt from H&M, which I got it at a price point of 799. This also I got it in a size of small. Whenever I go for resort fit shirts from H&M, I do size down, because if I go for true to size, being a resort fit shirts and being the fabric as viscose, it looks too baggy. Yes, if it looks too baggy and too flowy also, it looks good during summers, but you're not gonna get most value out of this. So make sure that it's not a slim fit one, nor it's not a too baggy kind of fit. It should be somewhere in between. What I liked in this shirt, as mentioned to you guys multiple number of times, the base of the shirt needs to be of a neutral color, and that's what I liked here. Here the base of the shirt is a white color, and then they have gone with the green color and black color when it comes to the eggplant prints. It is having the leaves as well as the eggplant print. I agree that the prints are a little bit bolder when it compares to the shirt number one. However, because of the color combinations, it has been toned down a bit. However, still it is a bolder print. If you want to embrace that, you're good to go, or else you may skip this one. And coming to the point number two, which I like the most, is the price point. For 799 they are releasing this new arrivals guys, and they are getting stocked out super fast. They released it maybe 15 to 20 days back. I just bought 1 week back. By that time there were only 2 sizes available. That's how quickly these 799 rupees price point shirts get stocked out. I do not have any disqualifiers at all with this at a price point of 799. Moving on to the printed shirt number 3. It is a peach pink floral printed shirt from H&M, which I got it in a size of small. It is also priced at 1299. What I like the most in this shirt, the color combination. It gives that pastel vibe during the summer seasons with the light pastel pink. On top of that they have gone with the subtler colors with the white florals and green leaves. So overall it gives that summer vibes without not going too overboard with the colors. That's what I like this one. And I'm not gonna mention about the fit as well as the material compositions, because as this is priced at 1299 rupees, everything is in alignment with the shirt number one. This particular shirt, if you pair with a white jeans or maybe a light beige colored jeans or beige colored trousers, you can look stylish. With the prints as well as with the choice of the materials, you can stay comfortable as well during the summer season. Moving on to the next two checker shirts, shirt number 4 and shirt number 5. Why I'm combining both these shirts, even though those are two shirts, not exactly the similar prints. Both are the flannels and both have red color as a composition when it comes to the checks. One is a multicolored shirt. In specific to the shirt number 4, it is a multicolored checkered flannel shirt from H&M which are priced at $12.99, and this also I got it at a 20% off at a price point of 999 rupees. Got this in a size of small. Initially I got that in a size of medium. Medium is too big for me. This being a thicker flannel material, this will be particularly suited during the winter seasons or during the summer seasons. You can get away in case if you're not wearing any t-shirt inside and just you want to wear the shirt, and if you're going to any air conditioned place, you can get away with this during summer seasons. But if you want to go outside during the summer season, this is not a preferable option. And what I like the most, even though it's a multicolored shirt, that black white with red color combination, you guys know that it's one of my favorite color combo when it comes to the flannel shirts. Moving in specific to the shirt number 5, it is also a similar shirt in a slightly different color composition. It is a red and green checkered shirt from H&M at a same price point of 1299 rupees, and this one I got it at a price point of 999 as well. These are the new arrivals, but still they went on sale during the recent H&M sale, and that's where most of the people bought these shirts at a price point of 799 to 999 rupees. At that price points, I think these are best value because of the fabric they have gone for and also of the colorways. These are red and green combination. I think compared to both of these shirts, it's a multicolored one, the first one. The second one is one of my favorite because this combination when it comes to checker shirts I do not have. It's not too bright a color when it comes to the flannel shirts. It's not muted as well. It's somewhere in between. That's why I like this one. When it comes to the fit of these shirts, they fit you on a relaxed front. So it's always a good move to size down. I went with the size small for your reference. I'm 5'9". Moving on to the pieces number 6 and 7. These are two similar jersey bomber jackets in different colorways. One I got it in this tan brown color and other I went with the blue color. I'm a huge fan of jersey jackets when it comes to H&M. I love the material guys, how it looks on the jackets better than the t-shirts, because when it comes to the jackets it gives that shiny kind of a vibe, and the material is super stretchy, and these are going to be one of the comfortable bomber jackets you have in your wardrobe. And trust me, you will never get disappointed when you find this at a price point of less than 1000 rupees. Before going into the price point and where I got, let's quickly discuss what I liked among these jackets. As mentioned to you, I like the colors and also the material choice. Number 2, how they fit on me. These are the slimmer fit options and they fit you how a slim fit should fit, and they fit you just appropriate. And number 3, the price points which I got for. I got both of these jackets from Myntra during the recent Myntra sale. They were priced at 60% off at the start of the sale, and on top of that I got the card discount as well. I got these jackets for a crazy price points of 850 to 900 rupees. For those price points, it's an absolute no-brainer. Moving on to the last shirt, it is also a flannel shirt. It is a yellow and black checkered shirt from H&M, which I got it in a full sleeves and a size of medium. Even though it's a regular fit, I went true to size when it comes to the H&M checkered shirts. I highly recommend you guys to do that, because when you size down thinking that it's a regular fit, it will not fit you proper at the chest area. A minor disqualifier for this shirt would be the length. It's a teeny bit more when it comes to the overall length of the shirt. I must have mentioned this multiple number of times. The base need to be of the neutral color. Here with black color they nailed it, and black with the pop color of yellow. It's a great combination guys. They also have this shirt in one of my favorite color combination, which is also red and black as well. So make sure that you check the different color combinations. In blue and white also they have. So make sure you check the links in the description below. For a price point of 1500 rupees also, I feel that it's really worth buying these flannel shirts from H&M, because the quality of the fabric, it feels so smooth. It's not too thin, it's not too thick. It's right there in between. That's it for this video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of under rupees 999 H&M haul of new arrivals. If you did so, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. That's it from me. See you guys next time.